In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files to OneDrive. If you want to store documents, images, videos, or other files in the cloud so you can access them later from different devices, OneDrive makes that process very simple. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the basic upload method directly from the OneDrive website. This is a great option if you're organizing personal files, backing up important items, or just moving content online for easier access. To get started, open OneDrive in your web browser and make sure you're on the main file area where your folders and saved items appear. Once you're there, look toward the left side of the screen for the button labeled Create or Upload. This is the main place you'll use whenever you want to add something new to your OneDrive account. Go ahead and click that button. When you select it, a menu will appear with different options for creating or adding content. Since the goal here is to upload something that already exists on your computer, choose the option labeled Files Upload. This tells OneDrive that you want to browse your device and select one or more files to send to your cloud storage. After you click Files Upload, your computer's file picker window will open. From there, navigate to the location where your file is saved. Take a moment to make sure you're choosing the correct item, especially if you have similar file names or multiple versions of the same document. Once you find the file you want, select it and confirm the upload in the File Picker window. OneDrive will then begin uploading the file. Depending on the size of the file and the speed of your internet connection, this may happen almost instantly or take a little longer. While it uploads, it's a good idea to stay on the page until the process is complete so you can confirm that everything finishes successfully. Once the upload is done, the file should appear in your OneDrive file list. If you don't see it right away, give the page a moment to refresh. You can also check that you uploaded it into the correct folder if you were working inside a specific location before starting. A helpful tip is to open the folder where you want the file to live before you begin the upload. That way, the file goes directly into the right place and you won't have to move it later. And that's it. That's how to upload files to OneDrive quickly and easily using the web interface.